Welcome back to Fridge Facts, everybody. Today is April 12th, and I've got one final Masters Fridge Fact for you this year, as Rory McIlroy has gone back-to-back at Augusta National. After the green jacket avoided him for so long, Rory now becomes the first golfer to go back-to-back at the Masters since Tiger Woods did it in 2001 and 2002. Congratulations to Rory on that second straight green jacket. We'll see what that Masters dinner looks like next year, and I'll see you all back here tomorrow with another Fridge Fact.